Configuring an IMAP email account in Windows 10 Mail. This video assumes you already have an existing email account created with your host or email provider, or you've created your own in your hosting control panel. Now let's learn how to configure Windows Mail with your existing email account using the IMAP email protocol. If you've never used the Mail app, you'll see a welcome page when you open it. Click Add Account to get started. If you have used the Mail app before, then click the Settings icon at the bottom of the left navigation pane. Then click Manage Accounts. Click Add Account. Then click the Advanced Setup option. Click Internet Email. Enter your email address in both the email address field and the username field. Then enter your email password. Enter a name for this account. This is what you'll see in the left pane of Windows Mail. Then enter the name you want your recipients to see when they receive your messages. Enter your incoming email server. This is commonly mail.yourdomain.com or yourdomain.com, but you should refer to your email documentation for the exact format. Choose the IMAP protocol for the account type. Next, enter your outgoing email server name. Again, refer to your email documentation if you are not sure what this is. Make sure these last four options are checked, then click Sign In. That's it! We've successfully configured Windows Mail to send and receive email using our email account. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to configure Windows Mail with your existing email account using the IMAP protocol.